gentlemen, eto na ang pinakaabangan ng lahat. All season long, pinagdedebatehan, pinagtatalunan. Sino nga ba ang pinakamagaling? Yung most valuable player, Erica, malalaman na natin.
Tama, hindi ko alam kung bakit pati ako kinakabahan. Hindi naman ako kasali sa mga mananalo. But you know, the most valuable player award is the top individual honor in the PBA. This award comes once every season and for many, once in a lifetime.
Iilan lang ang nagiging mapalad at bukod tangi na makakapag-uwi ng most valuable award in their home to be.
From the Petron Blaze Boosters, Orange Santos.
From the Barangay Hinabla San Miguel, L.A. Tenorio.
And from Tropang Sector, Jason Cap. Presenting the 2013 Most Valuable Player Award are PBA Commissioner Tito Salud and PBA Chairman and Barangay Ginebra San Miguel Governor Robert Non. Hawak na natin
Eto na.
ang resulta ng pinagboto.
Hindi na makita eh.
So natin
Buksan na natin. The Leo Award for the 2013 Most Valuable Player goes to... From your Petron Blaze Boosters, Orange Santos! Dolphin to be